Have you ever looked into an animal's eyes and wondered what it thinks you are? Not whether it likes you, not whether it wants food, but what category you belong to inside its mind. To a dog, are you family? To a cat, are you staff? To a crow, are you a suspicious, hairless giant with snacks? And to a wild animal, are you a threat, a curiosity, or something so strange it does not fit into any normal category at all? Humans think of themselves as people. We have names, jobs, passwords, apartments, group chats, taxes, and tiny glowing rectangles that ruin our attention span. Very impressive species. But animals do not know any of that. They do not look at you and think, "Ah yes, junior marketing manager." They judge you through smell, sound, posture, routine, movement, and behavior. So the real question is not, do animals understand humans? The better question is, what kind of creature do they think we are? Dogs may be the animals that understand us best. They can read our faces, follow our pointing, recognize our voices, and notice changes in our mood. A dog does not think you are another dog. It knows you look different, smell different, and behave differently. Also, your nose is embarrassingly bad. But that does not mean you are outside its social world. To a dog, you are part of the group. You are a provider, protector, playmate, emotional anchor, door opener, food machine, and occasionally a deeply confusing creature who throws a ball and then gets happy when it comes back. That is why your return home is not casual to a dog. It is not, "Oh, the roommate is back." It is a reunion. You disappeared from the pack, then returned from the mysterious outside world alive. In the dog's mind, humans may be strange, upright family members with terrible noses, powerful hands, and almost supernatural access to snacks. Cats understand humans too, but they do not respond to us the way dogs do. A cat probably does not think you are a cat. It knows you are bigger, louder, clumsier, and much worse at jumping onto a shelf without making it everyone's problem. But cats often treat humans in ways that resemble how they treat other cats. They rub against us. They slow blink. They sit near us. Sometimes they bring us things we absolutely did not ask for, like a dead insect placed on the floor with the emotional weight of a royal gift. Some researchers think cats see humans as social partners, not masters. And one clue is the meow. Adult cats rarely meow at each other in the same way they meow at humans. Many cat meows are aimed specifically at us, which means cats may have developed a special communication system for the large, confused mammals who control the food. So maybe cats do not think we are gods. Maybe they think we are trainable giants. And honestly, they have evidence. Horses see humans through a very different lens. A horse is a prey animal, which means survival depends on reading tiny signals: posture, breathing, tension, movement, confidence. A horse does not care about your motivational speech. It cares about whether your body says "calm leader" or "nervous predator-shaped problem." To a horse, a human is confusing. We have forward-facing eyes like hunters. We approach directly like hunters. But we also bring food, grooming, safety, and companionship. Over time, a horse can learn that humans are strange herd partners who guide them, feed them, and occasionally ask them to walk in circles for reasons no horse has ever fully approved. Birds may see us in an even stranger way. Crows, ravens, parrots, and pigeons are extremely observant. A crow can recognize individual human faces and remember whether a person is dangerous or safe. To a crow, you are not just a human. You are that specific human. The one who fed it, or the one who scared it, or the one it will now remember with suspicious accuracy. Now imagine how wild animals see us. A deer does not care about your personality. It does not wonder what you do for work. It sees shape, smell, distance, speed, and direction. For many wild animals, humans fall into one of two categories: threat or background noise. In cities, that line gets stranger. Pigeons, foxes, raccoons, and squirrels often learn that humans are simply part of the environment. We are moving obstacles, sometimes dangerous, sometimes useful, sometimes mysteriously generous with crumbs. A city squirrel may not see you as a person. It may see you as a large, unstable object with snack potential. Raccoons may see humans as the owners of magical food boxes. Those boxes are trash cans. To them, our entire civilization may look like a complicated machine for producing leftovers. And maybe that is the key. Animals may not ask, "What is a human?" They may ask, in their own way, "What does this creature usually do?" Marine animals have their own version of us. Dolphins may see humans as odd, slow swimmers who need equipment to do what they do naturally. Whales may not think much about us at all. Next to them, we are tiny, almost like birds beside a building. Still, some whales seem careful around people, as if they sense that we are fragile. Octopuses may have the strangest view of us. An octopus has a mind very different from ours. It explores with arms that can react almost independently. It changes color with its skin. It experiences the world in a way we can barely imagine. Some octopuses recognize individual keepers and behave differently around different people. They may not know what we are, but they know we matter. And that might be the most honest answer. To animals, humans are not one thing. We are patterns. Dogs learn that keys mean leaving. Cats learn that the sound of a can means food. Crows learn which faces are dangerous. Squirrels learn which humans drop crumbs. Animals may not understand our names, jobs, politics, or dreams, but they are watching us constantly. Every sound, every habit, every repeated action teaches them what kind of creature we are. We are always telling animals who we are, not with words, but with behavior. And in the end, that may be the only language that really matters.